Hello, Matt Weaver here, and today we're going to talk about, now think about this, don't be afraid to list properties with issues.
For over 20 years, I've made it my mission to create the new standard in mortgage lending. This meant being available to our clients when they need us most, offering innovative strategies that support our real estate partners' business and a service model that makes closing your loan faster and easier than ever. The Matt Weaver team is made up of human beings committed to making the new standard all about you. 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
So you're a productive listing agent, you go on a listing appointment, and you're walking through the house, and you notice that it needs a little bit of love because, of course, it's dated or what have you. And then you sit down with the seller, and the seller says, well, actually, my roof is also original. What happens in those scenarios? Usually, sometimes the agent talks to the seller and says, well, can you repair the roof? And the seller says, well, I don't have the money until I sell. It's kind of that, chicken and egg style concept. What if I told you I have a solution for it? Think about this. The renovation loan that we offer can provide the solution for the buyer who's thinking of buying that home. So if you think about it, you have this $300,000 or $400,000 listing, whatever the sale price is, and it's a little tired or it needs a new roof. Imagine in your MLS verbiage that this house is approved for a renovation loan. A renovation loan simply gives the buyer the cash at closing to do repairs for, let's say, a brand new roof, appliances, new flooring, painting, hurricane windows, and so much more. So the goal to this message today is for you to stand out in a listing appointment talking with the seller saying, we're going to go ahead and market this property a little differently. Because folks, here's the best part. Renovation loans, you don't have to put a lot of money down. And I think we can agree for those that don't put a lot of money down typically don't negotiate as much, thus giving you and your seller typically a higher sale price. Call me anytime, 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m., 561-864-2458.